Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have grown this Hoya Pubicalyx for a good many years. I don't even know how many years I have had this plant. One day it surprised me with a peduncle full of mature buds. I'm so excited, I cannot wait to see what they look like because they can have a variety of different colors. So I just have to wait. They look like they're about to open, but just not yet. Perhaps you would ask me, what did you do to make the plant bloom? I will explain that in this video. I was just doing my things, but I suddenly smell something incredible. And guess what? The Hoya is blooming. At about 10 o'clock at night, I was just doing my things at home. Suddenly, I smelled something delightful, pleasantly sweet. I raised my head. Here is my Hoya Pubicalyx. That is incredible. It smells so good. It smells much better than my previous Hoya canosa. The sweet scent is meant to attract pollinators. What am I going to do since I'm the only person who smells the fragrance? Am I going to pollinate the flowers? This is so crazy. I cannot believe it. I totally didn't expect this. How am I going to describe the flowers? The flowers are quite striking. I have had other Hoya plants, but this plant is different. You can see in a cluster, the flowers are star-like with 5 petals, just like other Hoyas. The deep red flowers feature an almost white or pinkish or red central crown. The center of the flower is yellow. The petals have a velvet texture, give them a soft, plush feel. This velvet quality enhances their visual appeal and contributes to the overall richness of the flower. The texture combined with their velvet surface creates a striking contrast that makes the flower even more attractive. I don't know how to describe the edge of the flowers. You can say it's silver, you can say it's purple, or you can say it's gray. It just looks so fantastic. I just feel like to touch it. Each individual flower is quite big, at least bigger than Hoya canosa. It is bigger than a penny. It is more of the size of a nickel. The flower has a subtle grayish or silvery rim along the edges of the petals. This feature adds to the visual complexity and enhances the overall appearance. I have learned my lesson. One of them is I should not have cut the long new vines off because it grows so fast. In order to control the size, when I see those long new vines, I tend to cut them off, but that's where the peduncles are produced. That is something that I should remember. Now let's take a look at the flowers in daylight. They actually appear to be a little bit more red, but it can be due to the color temperature difference during the day and at night. When I'm filming in the daylight, the flowers seem to be more red than purple, but then when I watch the flowers with my naked eyes, they still have this purple rims. So I guess it must be the lighting or the strength of the light. This year I have increased the watering in the summer, but I still let the soil dry between waterings. How often do I water? I would say about twice a month. In addition, I diluted a few drops of African violet plant food in the water. I fertilize the plant about every 2 months. Now I have seen the flowers. This Hoya is a very easy plant to grow. I'm glad I have waited for that long, and it was worth it. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.